Welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a quick how-to tutorial of how to install MovieBox Pro on your Android TV. Hey guys, so downloading your MovieBox Pro on your Android is much easier as you think. So if you have an Android TV, you want to go to a browser. After that, you want to search up MovieBox Pro on Android TV. And then you want to click on this one right here, which is the MovieBox Pro app. So this one has private details. You just wanna log in with your credentials. And then after that, just like any sites right here, it will just lets you download the movie box on your Android TV. And that's how you do it. But if you're like having trust issues when it comes to this, if this is does it really work, then I suggest you doing it on a browser first, and then you just wanna feel it, and then you just wanna go in and continue if you want to download the um app version.